I saw messy golden shoes in the internet, and I tried to recreate it. You can turn that to a piece of jewelry or a little miniature, or a real shoe if you are into plastic shoes. I'll 3D print it as a real shoe only if I hit 500k likes. Other than that, I'll definitely print it as a jewelry piece later. Also, I'll upload messy face to later, so. If you don't want to miss it, enjoy the rest of the video.